Okay. Okay, so hi everybody. Today we are going to start a new chapter. This chapter is about electricity. Now, you may think that electricity is a very common thing because every day we use a lot of electrical devices or appliances. For example, the thing you must have is a mobile phone. See? Okay, with electricity, we can use it. And also, you can see the lamp, the light, the fan, etc. There are many things that we use electricity. So, that is not a difficult concept. Now, you can also imagine in one day, if there is no electricity, what will happen to you? First, no entertainment. No computer, no mobile phone, no TV, no movie, etc. And no communication because you cannot use the computer, you cannot phone your friend, and you have to do more exercise because if you live in a higher places, you have to walk, okay, go upstairs, which is very tired. Maybe you want to die, okay? So, this chapter, we are going to see how does it work, okay? Now, to make things happen, that means if we want to use the electrical energy, we must fulfill two things. First is the source of electrical energy. Where do we find the electrical energy? Okay, probably we use the dry cell or the battery. Okay, that is portable. You can take it to the other place, anywhere you want. Or if we want to use more powerful electrical energy, we have to use the socket. Okay, plug the electrical appliance to the socket. So that is the energy provided by the power station. Okay, the power station. So this is the first thing. And the second thing is we have to make a complete path to let the electricity to flow. Okay, later in the experiment, you will experience what is a complete path, how to make things work, etc. Okay, so let's start. Okay, right now I just introduced we need to make a complete path for electricity to flow. And here, that is an example. So you see, the dry cell is the power source, the source of electrical energy. And the electrical energy can pass through this path. So that is a complete path. And that's why the bulb lights up. What if there is incomplete? If the path is incomplete, just like this one. Oh, see? No light. That means we need a complete path. If I close it, okay, to make it complete, you can see the electrical energy pass through this path. And this path is called a circuit. Now here, you can see the basic components to make an electric circuit. So for example, dry cell. These are the dry cells. We have different types of dry cells, but in the laboratory, we use this kind. And then to make a circuit, we can also sometimes use the wire. Oh, here you can see there are two different colors, red and black. What are the difference between the red and black color? Actually, the only difference in the color. And they are the same, so we can use it to connect for all the things. But we usually use the red color for the positive terminal and black color for the negative terminal. Okay, these are the wires. And sometimes we can also use the connectors. Connectors, you can just fix it to the board like this one. Okay, or fix it to any place that you can put. And also, this is a bulb. Okay, well, we can, if there is a complete circuit, the bulb will light up. And it is a switch. Switch is used to open or close a circuit. And sometimes we also need the crocodile clip. This is a crocodile clip because it really looks like the crocodile. Okay, you see that? Okay, the crocodile clip. How to use it? Just fit it to the wire. Okay, fit to the wire. Then we can clip it to somewhere on the circuit board or clip it to some other electrical appliance. Okay, so how to use them? Just fit them onto the circuit board. That's all. Now, this part, I want to talk about the safety precautions when you are using the electrical appliance and also the circuit board. For example, if you use the crocodile clip, remember, do not play with the crocodile clip. It is dangerous. How to play with it? Some students want to clip the collar, clip their ear, keep your classmates, etc. But remember, don't play with the crocodile clip. Okay? And the other thing I want to remind you is that now, once you connect a circuit like this one, for example, it is a complete circuit you just made. And sometimes I allow you to make your own circuit. You can explore and try. But remember, if the following case happens, remember, disconnect the circuit immediately. What is that? Now, the bulb is lighting. In some cases, you try to make your own circuit and you suddenly find that the bulb goes off and then still lights up, goes off, lights up. Now, if you in this situation, the bulb suddenly goes off, that means it is a short circuit. I will talk about what is short circuit later in the following sections, but this is dangerous. Okay, remember, if you find a case like this one, remove the component immediately. Okay, never let the things like this one happen. Okay, don't do it. Understand? Be careful.